ACI 1948 here. Here's the held hauler. I kind of went to town on working on it. I'm going to give them their coat of paint. It's pretty thin in spots. I don't know if you can tell, but pretty light here and there. But overall, it's turning out pretty nice. I got a new tire to replace that one that was shot. And still going to get new tires for the front and rear over here. But they're holding there, so I just kind of sprayed paint on them because I wasn't too worried about them. They're going to get replaced. But yeah, turned out pretty nice overall. I did flat black on the headlight there. Turned out alright. Down there, that's all dirty. But I'm going to give them their spray of paint. But down in there, looks a lot better than what we started with. I still got to get some paint up behind there, I see. But, you know, it's almost done. Went ahead and just did the engine red. It was easier that way than taking it out. Don't really need to. I was able to find a new throttle and handle combo with a new cable on eBay. Lucked out on that. So like that, and you can lock it. But I gotta fix the ground cable, so it probably won't just start right up, but we can try it. Okay. Go for a quick little spin around the yard, I guess. I'm gonna try and do this one-handed on the driver wheel, on the handlebar. Part of me wants to get off and try doing this. Yeah, he wasn't too happy about that, but oh, it drives around. It's kind of hard to do with my camera or with my phone. My camera, I kind of had in there a way to hold on to it. But still got to figure out the brakes. That's will be the next big thing, figuring out the brakes and getting tires for it. And like I said, I'm going to give them their spray of paint. This was cherry red. So, alright, well that's going to do it for this little update. It came along pretty good. I didn't really make any more videos on it. I just kind of been busy and needed to get something done on it. Alright, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.